Wait, before you watch one more English video, I need to tell you something important. Right now, today, you are probably making mistakes that native speakers notice immediately. Not small mistakes, big mistakes. The kind that make people think your English is much lower than it really is. And the worst part?
Nobody's telling you. Your teacher didn't tell you. Your textbook didn't show you, but I will. Stay with me for the next 10 minutes, and I promise you, your English will never be the same again.
My name is David, and welcome back to this channel. If you are new here, this is the place where we fix your English fast. No boring grammar rules, no long explanations. Just real English, real mistakes, and real corrections. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you 10 common mistakes that most English learners make every single day. And after this video, you will never make them again, so do not click away. This is important. Let us start right now.
Okay, mistake number 1. This one is extremely common. I hear this every single day from beginners and even intermediate learners. Are you ready?
People say, I am agree. Say it with me, I am agree.
Sounds okay, right?
Wrong, it is completely wrong, and here's why. The word agree is already a verb. It is a full action word. You do not need to add am or is or are before it. When you say I am agree, you are putting two verbs together, and that breaks the grammar rule completely. Native speakers hear this, and they immediately know something is wrong. The correct sentence is simply this. I agree. Short, clean, perfect. Just I agree. No am, no is. Nothing extra. Just I agree.
Memory trick. Think of it like this. You do not say I am want, you say I want. Same rule. You do not say I am agree. You say I agree. Simple. Say it out loud right now. I agree, I agree. Say it 3 times and it will stay in your brain forever. Good. Now let us move to mistake number 2.
Okay, do not skip this next one because this mistake is absolutely everywhere. It is one of the most common mistakes in the whole English language. People say, he go to school, or she go to work, or my brother go every day. This sounds very wrong to any native speaker. Here is why. When you talk about he, she, or you must add an s to the verb. Always. Every time. No exceptions. So the correct sentence is, he goes to school. She goes to work. My brother goes every day. Do you see the difference?
That small s changes everything. Memory trick for this one is easy. Just remember he, she, it needs an s. Say it like a song in your head. He, she, it needs an s. He, she, it needs an s. Practice right now. He goes, she goes. It goes, my teacher goes. My friend goes. My mother goes. Perfect. You are getting it. Keep watching because mistake number 3 is something most people never even think about.
Most people still say this wrong. I see it in comments every day. I see it in emails. I see it everywhere. The mistake is this. People say, she is very beautiful girl. Now read that slowly. She is very beautiful girl. Can you hear the problem?
Maybe not yet, but let me tell you. The problem is the missing word a in English. When you talk about one person or one thing for the first time, you must use a or an before it. A girl, a car, a teacher, an apple, an umbrella. Without that small word, the sentence sounds broken and incomplete. So the correct sentence is, she's a very beautiful girl. She is a very beautiful girl. That little word a makes the whole sentence correct. Memory trick? Think of it like introducing someone. When you meet someone new, you say, hello, I am a teacher. Not hello, I am teacher. One person, one thing, always needs a or an. Comment yes right now if this one surprised you. I want to know how many of you are making this mistake without knowing.
Okay, we are at mistake number 4, and this one is going to make you laugh because it seems so small, but it makes such a big difference. People say, I will make a photo. Or let us make a photo together. Or she made a beautiful photo. This is a translation mistake. In many languages, you use the word make with photos and pictures. But in English, we do not make photos. We take photos, always take. Take a photo. Take a picture. Take a selfie. Take a video. The word make is for things you create from scratch. You make a cake, you make a table, you make a plan. But a photo?
You take it. You capture it. You take a photo. So next time your friend says smile, remember you are going to take a photo, not make one. Correct sentence is, let us take a photo together. Or I took a beautiful photo yesterday. Easy, right? Mistake number 5 is coming, and this one shocks people every time I teach it.
If you know this next one, your English immediately sounds more professional, more natural, more native. The mistake is this. People say, let us discuss about the problem. Or can we discuss about this topic?
Or, I want to discuss about my future. The word discuss already means to talk about something. It already contains the idea of about inside it. So when you add about after discuss, you are repeating yourself. It is like saying I want to eat food by mouth. The by mouth part is unnecessary. So drop the word about. The correct form is simply, let us discuss the problem. Can we discuss this topic? I want to discuss my future. No about. Just discuss, and then the topic directly. Memory trick? Discuss eats about for breakfast. It does not need it. It already has it inside. Discuss the topic, not discuss about the topic. Say it with me. I want to discuss this. Perfect. Okay, pause the video for just 1 second. Think about the 5 mistakes we just covered. Are you making any of them? Most people are making at least 3. That is completely normal. That is why you are here. Let us continue with number 6.
Mistake number 6, and this one hurts because people think they sound very formal and polite when they say this. But it actually sounds wrong. People say, I am having a car. Or she is having a big house. Or they are having 2 dogs. This is incorrect. The verb have when it talks about things you own or possess, things that belong to you permanently, does not use the ing form. You do not say I am having, you say I have, simple present. I have a car. She has a big house. They have 2 dogs. Now you can say I am having lunch because eating lunch is an action happening right now. But owning something? That is a state. Not an action, and states do not using memory trick.
If it is yours permanently, use have or has, not having. I have a phone. She has a brother. They have a house. Number 7 is coming, and this is one of the most shocking mistakes I see from even advanced learners.
Don't skip this. Number 7 is very, very important. People say, I did not went there, or she did not came yesterday, or he did not played football. This is a double pass mistake. When you use did not or didn't, the verb after it must go back to its base form, its simple form, its original form. Because did is already doing the past job. It is already carrying the past tense for you, so you say, I did not go there. She did not come yesterday. He did not play football. Go come play. Not went, came, played. Did is already the past. So the next verb stays simple.
Memory trick. Did already did the past job. The next verb gets to rest. It goes back to sleep, back to base form. I did not go. She did not come. He did not play. Repeat it right now. I did not go. Perfect. Okay, 3 more mistakes to go. Number 8 is something that makes native speakers very confused when they hear it.
People say, can you explain me this? Or can you explain me the grammar rule? Or please explain me what you mean. This sounds very logical because in many languages you say, explain me something. But in English, explain does not work that way. You cannot say explain me, you must say explain this to me. Or explain the rule to me, the word to must be there. Or you can simply say, can you explain this? Without me at all. Both are fine. But explain me directly?
Never. The correct sentences are, can you explain this to me? Can you explain the grammar rule to me? Or simply can you explain this? Easy fix. Just remember explain needs to before me. Explain to me, not explain me. Comment below and tell me, were you making this mistake? I really want to know. Okay, mistake number 9 is coming, and this is one that even B2 level students get wrong regularly.
People say, I am boring. And they mean they have nothing to do. They mean the situation is not interesting. But guess what? When you say I am boring, it means you are a boring person. You make other people feel sleepy. You are the problem. That is not what you want to say. The correct sentence is, I am bored. I am bored means the feeling is happening to you. The situation is not exciting for you. I am boring means you cause boredom in others. Big difference. Huge difference. Same rule works for other feelings.
I am very exciting means you make others feel excited about you. I am very excited means you feel the excitement yourself. I am interested means you feel interest. I am interesting means others find you interesting. Memory trick? If the feeling is happening to you, use ed, bored, excited, interested, surprised. If you cause the feeling in others, use ing, boring, exciting, interesting, surprising. I am bored, not I am boring. Say it, I am bored, I am bored. Great, one more mistake. Mistake number 10, and then we do the test.
Last one. People say, I am not understanding you. Or I am not knowing the answer. Or I'm not believing it. These all sound wrong because understand, know, and believe are state verbs, just like have. State verbs describe a condition or a state of mind. They are not actions happening right now. So they do not use ing form. The correct sentences are, I do not understand you. I do not know the answer. I do not believe it.
Simple present, not continuous. Memory trick? Your brain just knows things. It does not perform knowing like a show. So do not add ing. I do not understand. I do not know. I do not believe. Perfect. Okay, you just learned 10 mistakes. Now it is test time.
Pause the video right now. Look at this sentence. You don't like pizza. Pause the video. Try to correct it yourself. Do not scroll down yet. Think about it. What is the rule? Remember mistake number 2. He, she, it needs a special form. Okay, are you ready for the answer? The correct sentence is, he doesn't like pizza.
Not don't, doesn't, because he is a third person singular. He, she, it always uses does and doesn't, not do and don't. He doesn't like pizza. She doesn't want coffee. It doesn't work. Perfect. You got it. How did you do? Comment below and tell me if you got it right. I read every comment.
Okay, let us do a very fast recap because I want this to stay in your brain. Mistake 1, do not say I am agree. Say I agree. Mistake 2, do not say go. Say goes. Mistake 3, do not forget the say she is a beautiful girl. Mistake 4, do not make a photo. Take a photo. Mistake 5, do not discuss about. Just discuss. Mistake 6, do not say I am having a car. Say I have a car. Mistake 7, do not say I did not went.
Say I did not go. Mistake 8, do not say explain me. Say explain this to me. Mistake 9, do not say I am boring when you feel bored. Say I am bored. And mistake 10, do not say I am not understanding. Say I do not understand. 10 mistakes. All fixed. Right now, today.
You just fixed your English in 10 minutes. Your English right now is better than it was 10 minutes ago. That is real progress. That is something to be proud of. Most people watch 10 hours of English videos and learn nothing because they are not watching the right content. But you stayed. You learned. And now you know 10 things that most English learners get wrong every day. Share this video with one friend who needs this.
They will thank you. And if you want to keep fixing your English every single day, subscribe to this channel right now. Hit the bell so you never miss a video. In my next video, I am going to fix your English speaking fluency. The exact reason why you stop in the middle of sentences. The exact reason why you forget words when you speak. Do not miss that one. It is going to change everything. I will see you there. Keep practicing. You are doing great.